In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfollow channels on WhatsApp web. If you've joined a few WhatsApp channels, but find yourself overwhelmed or simply wishing to declutter your feed, unfollowing is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure it's as seamless as possible for you. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. This is the browser-based version of WhatsApp, which mirrors the data on your phone. If you're not signed in already, you'll need to link your phone to WhatsApp web using the QR code provided. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats on the left-hand side of the screen, with the familiar WhatsApp interface displayed. Now, let's focus on the left side of your screen, where your channels and chats are listed. This sidebar is your gateway to all the conversations and channels you participate in. Scroll through this list to locate the channel you wish to unfollow. If you're having trouble finding it, there's a convenient search feature at the top of this sidebar. Click on the search bar and type the name of the channel you intend to unfollow. This will help narrow down the options and quickly bring up the channel of interest. Once you've found the channel you want to unfollow, click on it to open the channel details. Opening a channel in WhatsApp web allows you to see all the posts and any shared media within that channel, but we're here to change your subscription status. Look for the unfollow option, typically found at the top of the channel details. Click on it, and a confirmation prompt should appear. This prompt is there to ensure you want to stop receiving updates from this channel. If you're sure about your decision, confirm your choice by selecting unfollow. Congratulations! You have now successfully unfollowed the channel on WhatsApp web, and you will no longer receive updates or notifications from this specific channel. If you ever change your mind, you can always return and follow the channel again. A quick tip: regularly reviewing the channels you follow can help keep your feed organized and ensure you only see content that's of interest to you. The steps we discussed are simple to replicate. Feel free to apply this whenever you need to manage your WhatsApp web experience. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to unfollow channels on WhatsApp web. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to practice these steps whenever you need to streamline your communication and adjust your channel preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and guides like this one in the future.